Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda CR-V key battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. These are commonly available and essential for the process. Having the right tools makes this quick task even simpler, ensuring you can get your key fob working perfectly again in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot along the edge, usually where the physical key ring attaches. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently use your screwdriver to pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once closed, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are working correctly. Your key fob should now be fully functional and ready for use, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.